Hello friends, welcome to this channel Sophia Sew and Pray, where sewing is fun and praying is a must-do. Welcome back. If you are new, welcome. In today's video, I'm so excited to share with you a pajama I sewed out of a twin size flat sheet. Yep, a twin size flat sheet. I thought it was cute, and I pictured a pajama in my head, and I made it. I made it out of this this pattern right here. It's the new look easy number 6782, this one right here. And I made this pants right here for the pajama pants, and then I made the blouse. All of them are the same, just different colors, but this is the one that I made. And I'm so excited again to share how I made it, and also to show you how I think it looks good on me. And before we go to show you, let me share with you a scripture. Okay, this scripture comes from Proverbs 31:25, and it's read, "Strength and honor are her clothing, and she shall rejoice in time to come." So again, welcome to my channel, and have fun. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and your comments is so welcome. Hi, my YouTube friends. Look what I have here. It's a twin sheet set. I got it on sale at one of my favorite stores. And I don't want it to be on my sheet, on the twin size bed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a pajama set with this twin size sheet, because I like it so much, but I don't want it on my bed. So how about wearing your sheet, your bed sheet? Let's see how it's going to look. In today's video, this is what I'm going to try to make, and hopefully I can make it look very, very fashionable. And this is the pattern that I'm going to use to create a pajama. This is not a pajama set, but I am going to make a pajama out of it. Okay, I'm going to make the blouse, and I'm going to make the pants. Okay, so now it's telling me to sew this part right here. So I'm gonna draw this here so I can remember. So I suppose we're going to pin it right here like this. So I'm going to sew the little hem on the sleeve before adding it on, like this one here. That's the instructions how to do it. Okay, so step by step. I've added the front and back. Now I have to add the sleeves. Here's the easiest way. Okay, you just sit this flat like this. Hold this. There. Put it under here. Armpit per armpit. Then you find the seams. You pin it together. Then you're going to sew it. See there? Like so. We're going to pin this here. Pin this under here. And then we'll sew. Here are the two sleeves sewn on. Now, so now I have to put I forgot what's the name of it. The neck. I love this. I love this style. I'm excited because I did it. Okay, so the inner is sewed from here to the leg, and then the side is going to be sewn all the way to the leg of the front of this pants. Here we are trying to put the pants together. Okay, so this right here, I'm joining the back and the front, the half of the front and the back together. I'm joining them. So then after this, I join them together because the pattern asked to cut 2 fronts and 2 backs. Where when I did the towel, what I did was fold the front and then fold the back. So I'm learning how to sew a pants, a simple pants. Wow. Okay, now I had to loose the whole thing because I sewed it wrong. So now I have the front and the back. So what I did was I had the front like this, sewn this way instead of this way. So when I went to the crotch area, it was not right. So now I have it right and I'm going to sew it. So it's good to pay attention and follow the instructions of the patterns. That was my valuable lesson. Here's the pajama pants made out of the twin size bed set. Very fashionable. I tried it on and it looks very nice. I may do an experiment tomorrow. I'm going to surprise myself. But I like how it looks, even though I kind of did a little alterations to the pattern. Overall, I like it. So here is the pajama. This is the back. It's wide, as you can see in the picture. And this part, I wanted to show that this right here, you see when you put the top flat sheet on the bed and you put it, you fold it by the pillow, and this design is here. I made this the hem. So I thought that was cute. And this right here, this part, I did a little embroidery on this right here, on this area right here. So this is how it looks, and you can sleep in it, and also you wake up, kind of want to let the blood flow, and so you just do your thing before going downstairs or whatever, go to the kitchen and all that. So it's very comfortable, very comfortable. I love it. So here's my pajama. Here's my pajama. Yay! This is my pajama. Yep. And you know what is so good about this? It feels so good, and at the same time, if you work from home, this is how you want to look. You know, you could even take your shower and all that kind of stuff, but you want to be cool, and want to be relaxed while you're working. This is the best. I know because I work from home, and this is so nice, comfortable, and still looks good. Okay, because I would wear this down to the Winn-Dixie down the street. Yes, I would, and I was gonna wear it to prove it, but I haven't had a chance. So maybe I'll make another one, and then I'll have a chance. So thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and my next video, I'll try to do something different again. Thanks. Hold on. I forgot to ask you to like, share, and please subscribe so that you can be notified when I post another new one. Thanks.